Welcome back to the Visa Guide. Today, we're talking about a visa category that many people have never heard of, even though it can be incredibly useful for domestic workers. If you're a domestic worker in the UAE and your employer is traveling to the UK Overseas Domestic Worker Visa may allow you to accompany them legally. In this video, we'll explain who can apply, the required documents, the key conditions of this visa. You may be eligible for the UK Overseas Domestic Worker Visa if you're at least 19 years old. You have worked for the same employer for at least 1 year before applying. You will be traveling to the UK with your employer or with their spouse, partner, or children. This visa is designed for temporary visits only. It allows a stay of up to 6 months, and you must show that you intend to leave the UK at the end of your visit. If you meet these requirements, you can move on to preparing your application. Now let's talk about the documents you'll need. Your passport should be valid and ideally have at least 6 months remaining before travel. If you're applying from the UAE, your residence visa should also be valid with at least 3 months remaining from your intended departure date. You'll also need a letter for your employer. This letter should clearly state your job title, how long you worked for them, and confirm that you're a permanent employee. It should also mention that you'll be traveling with them to the UK. Another important document is the Appendix Domestic Worker Statement. Both you and your employee need to sign this document. We assist our clients with preparing this form correctly as part of the application process. You'll also need proof that you genuinely work for your employer. This could be salary slips, bank statements showing salary payments, an employment contract, your residence permit or work visa, or records of previous travel with your employer. The stronger your supporting documents, the stronger your application. Let's move on to the finances. You'll need to show that you can support yourself during your stay in the UK. The easiest way to do this by providing 6 months of bank statements or pay slips. If your employer is sponsoring your trip financially, they can provide evidence of their employment and bank statements showing they have sufficient funds. The financial assessment is generally similar to what is expected for a standard UK visitor visa. So, if your employer is planning a trip to the UK and wants you to accompany them, the Overseas Domestic Worker Visa could make that possible. And with the right guidance, the process can be less stressful. Every situation is different, so it's important to understand which documents apply to your case before submitting an application. If you'd like to check your eligibility or start your application, get in touch with our team today. We'll review a situation, guide you through the process step by step. You can contact us through the details in the description or simply send us a message. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest visa guides, immigration updates, and travel opportunities. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.